Hello, my name is Michelle Hughes and I'm a professional Linocut artist and designer. I teach in-person workshops and online courses and make Linocut prints to sell. In this course I'm going to show you how to plan, carve and print your very own Linocut prints, which you can frame or make into cards for friends and family. On the course I'll take you through the tools and materials you need to create a Linocut print. I'll guide you through the basics of carving. Through videos, I'll show you how to create different types of mark making to create a test sampler. I'll show you how to print your design by hand without a printing press using water-based inks. Each session contains videos and step-by-step instructions as well as hints and tips. Lastly, I'll show you how to plan and design your print using the skills that you've learnt in the previous lessons. I understand that not everybody feels confident about drawing, so I've provided downloadable design templates which you can feel free to use. And my online course is fully supported throughout with my Facebook group and monthly live Zoom Q&As. So I hope that's inspired you to get creative and give Linocut print a go. I'd love it if you can join me on my online course.